Hello folks, this is Ted from the Devils in the Detail. Been working on the pagoda every day. As you'll have seen, we've got it running virtually right now. Just got to make some adjustments for the cold start, but overall it runs really well. Problem we've got now is that the front bearings collapsed on the alternator and rendered it useless. So I've removed the alternator and sent that away for a rebuild. It's the original unit, so they're going to preserve it. You know, they was quite surprised to see a 60-year-old alternator that was in for the first time, so that's a way being done. Now, when I removed the manifold, I had to remove the brake master cylinder and the clutch slave cylinder. So today we've bled the systems, so we've now got the brake pedal back and the clutch works. Give the car a little bit of a clean up because it was been round here that long, it was looking a bit sorry for itself. So give it a tidy up. As you can see, it's looking very nice. This has still got to have a final polish once it's all done, but I'll do that once the bonnet's painted and the boot and the tonneau cover. We've now got the paint for it. I'm just waiting for the paint shop to do some spray cards so I could check the match, because the last three have been miles out. But I've got the paint here and the spray cards, just waiting for them to do it. Like I said, today we've been, me and Gary, we've been bleeding the brake system. I'm not sure I've ever showed you the finished under the wheel arches on this car. But I spent many hours getting them to what I think is, well, it's definitely better than factory, because they was battered. You know, you could see where they'd sort of forced the panels together and then brazed them up. Well, you can't see none of that now. So all in all, we're looking good. Just give the wheels a clean. There's two here and the other two are ready to go on the back. So we've give the wheels a clean. I'm going to clean the chrome on the trims and the hubcaps before they go back on. So we're getting very close to having this car finished. A few minor things to do. You know, it's not going to be 5 minutes worth of work. It's going to have it finished, but considering how far this car's come, I'm quite pleased to have it to here. So anyway, I'll see you when we make more progress. See you later.